So I'm on my way right now with Brandon. We got the kayak on the roof in the back. On our way to Newport Beach. Got an hour drive in traffic. We're here in Newport. Getting this kayak off the roof. I'm about to show you my contraption for the day. This is what I'm working with right here. Got me a nice shark donut right here. Most of you don't know what a shark donut is. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, you know. Shark donut. Shark bites you. It'd be like him biting in a donut. And I'll be floating in this. In the ocean. I'm right here in the float tube. Scared as fuck. I feel like a donut shop for a great white right now. I'm getting pulled out right here by Brandon and his kayak. You can see all this.
Hey, honestly, you can kick faster than this.
I'm kicking.
Just kick.
Kicking and kicking and kicking.
Watch, go. Just kick. Look how fast you can get going.
Yeah, but I don't want to be left alone because what if something eats me?
I
feel like pretty much like a damn shark donut, like a donut sitting on top of the water, just waiting for a shark to eat them. Of course. I can't even float too, and I said, there's seals right here, so I'm gonna get a little ride. I ain't trying to put my feet in the water no more. It's bad enough I got my ass in the water. And we're sitting next to a big bait. So I'm gonna hang on for a minute. Sit back. Yeah, spotties in Newport.
Sandies, and calicos already.
Got the live bait going. Sitting on the float too. Oh shit! Got a light hole going on. Nice halibut. Ooh, tuna. Biggest bass of the day. Big tuna. Oh wow. Nice. Shit. Oh. Woo. Big baits, big fish.
Dick, you can't even have a bait in the water. Like this.
Over?
So I gotta pump some more air in this thing right here. And this is how you do it. Got kelp patty to the left. Going for Dorado. Got me a spotty out here in the shark donut. We'll let him go. There it goes. What is that? How the fuck have I not got hit then?
Oh, you don't have a bait anymore.
No, I just checked it. It's still on there. 25-pound test, that's why.
How much?
25.
Supposed to get Billy that yacht.
I get fucking halibut.
Put on lighter. I'm using 12 for fucking.
I'm getting the bass though. I'm looking for the halibut.
Exactly. Halibut or line shine too. Look at that fucking yacht.
Why get yourself one of those when you can get yourself one of these right here? Cast out there. big bite right now. Again. Oh, and it's still there, but not okay. Took the bait. Oh, him and the fly back there. Double hook up over there. Nice. Gotta shut the trunk.